And the Sacramento County Jail dealing with a growing outbreak of COVID-19. We have a live look at the jail. There it is. Now tonight, we know that the jail has 27 active COVID cases. The county's other jail near Elk Grove has another 67. So that comes to 94 inmates with COVID-19 right now behind bars. One inmate has died. That death is coming less than a week after health officials announced the outbreak inside the jails.
And this latest death hits home for a Stockton woman who lost her husband in February. KCRA3's Jason Marks shows us why she thinks more needs to be done to keep inmates safe.
I think had he just been seen by a doctor, it would have saved his life.
William and Jasmine Stevens were married for 17 years.
He fell on hard times. He was always a good, decent person, but, people make mistakes.
That love affair ended on February 16th.
They stuck somebody in the cell with my husband that had just tested positive. And then my husband found out he tested positive a week later.
William was 53 years old and in jail as the vaccinations went out to the public. He hadn't had a chance to get his yet. His wife believes that illness played a major role in his death.
It was devastating. He was my world. So regardless if he had got himself in trouble, he was going to be out in April anyways. That part of his life would have been over.
Last week, Sacramento County officials announced 75 inmates tested positive. We now know that number is up to 94.
There's not enough medical needs being met. There are so many inmates that have contracted this virus.
And we also know one of those inmates, a 76-year-old man, died within the last week. Stevens believes more needs to be done.
It's awful because, it's bigger than my husband. We have got to get this under control. It's bad enough that we're dealing with it on the outside, but the prisoners, they have nowhere to go.
William Stevens is no longer around to call for change, so his wife is doing that for him.
It's about human decency and respect for all, regardless if they're a prisoner or somebody that's living out in society. You cannot treat people like they're animals, indisposable.
None of the 94 current inmates dealing with COVID were vaccinated. We reached out to the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office, but have not heard back at this point. Jason Marks, now back to you.
Yeah, Jason, we know that there are certain challenges that come with keeping a jail population safe. So do we know if anything's being done in the jail to try to keep inmates safer?
Well, we know the Board of Supervisors wants answers. Today, one board member met during the meeting. He called for the Inspector General to investigate. He wants to know about procedures during intake, separation of inmates, and contact tracing. Now back to you.